Before we proceed, please note that while AI is used to create this video, all information is manually researched by our team, and it is not AI generated. Here in the video we will share the details for the Mario Kart error code 20917. The error reads, "There was an error during login. For help, visit." As per the players, when they try to play online, it fails to connect and shows this error. Now let's come to fixes for the error. If case you are launching from Dolphin or Homebrew, then make sure you have downloaded the Retro Rewind channel to your console. Many players have shared that they had this issue while launching from Dolphin or Homebrew, but downloading the Retro Rewind channel resolved the issue. So we suggest you to try the same. In case you are already using the Retro Rewind but still have the error, then restart your console and check if you need to update Retro Rewind. Thank you so much. This is all we have for this error. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.